How to use or how to redeem Amazon gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your Amazon gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can redeem your gift card onto your account first in order to use it. Now how you can redeem it? You can redeem it on the website, or you can redeem it on the Amazon app as well. You want to simply log into your account on website or app and then tap on the profile icon there. And then under your account you want to tap on see all. So once here, what you want to do is, if you scroll down below there, you should be able to see the option payments. Under payments you can see manage gift card balance. You can tap on it, and once you tap on manage gift card balance, you can see my gift card balance is 0. So in order to add it to your account, you can simply tap on redeem another gift card option, where you'll have to either scan your code or enter the claim code and apply to your balance, and you'll be able to use it. So this way you can use the Amazon gift card. Once you have added to your account, you can use it for the purchase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.